What's up, YouTube? And I'm back with another sneaker review, and this time it is one that I didn't expect to get, to be quite honest with you, but the Kasina collaboration with Nike and the Air Max 1. So I'm really happy I got these. I remember seeing images initially early in the year, and just seeing, like, obviously being Kasina, a Korean brand. I remember their Dunk Lows. I have it up here, and it's like, those are so awesome. I kind of never remembered those really, but I love what they did with these. And the whole pack, the 2-pack, and I was like, okay, I think I got a chance on Kith. I didn't think Canada was getting them. They showed up on sneakers. On the sneakers release, I was able to go ahead and try and get them. The raffle wasn't working as usual. Let me know down below if you haven't having problems with the sneakers in Canada. It's freaking ridiculous. I can't even fathom what's going on with that. But anyway, they did load up. They've been loading up in sizes after. And I looked, and I went to sleep right after. It's like a 6 a.m. start here on the East Coast. And it's like, and when I was already up after, I was like, I got up, I think, after like 9 o'clock. And there's all, in my Soul Savvy community, sneaker community, they're all saying, oh, yo, sizes are up. I was like, fuck, I missed it, man. I was like, but they said they're still popping up, so stay tuned for that. So I was looking for a size 12. And I said to myself for like an hour or two, I'm going to keep looking. I'm going to keep refreshing. 12 came in. I speed did it. Went to checkout. Checked out. I was like, holy shit, I got the Kasina Air Max 1. So, yeah, I ended up getting the great pair and super happy about it. Some people were saying they want to complete the set and stuff, and I get that, but, I don't have that much money. So, I just wanted to get one. I love the story behind it, being like obviously the Korean ducks. I'll have it up here, the 2 ducks, and compared to the 2 shoes. And you kind of see, how cool that is when they get married. In the past, somebody in Korea, they would get 2 ducks, like the female duck and the male duck, which is the female duck is the one I have, the gray pair, right? So I did love the other one too. It was pretty cool. So, but I thought this one was cool. I don't have too many like gray sneakers, so I wanted to go with that. And orange is my favorite color though, so that was hard to pass on. But anyway, before I ramble on too much, that was like a really cool story, like the made to be together thing. Marketing was really good and stuff. But anyways, guys, let's get into the review. I'm talking way too much. Let's start with the box. So, the box, super dope. I really like what they did. It's nothing crazy, but it's something nice, you know what I mean? It's something, it's not too bad, right? You got pretty much Kasina, I believe, in Korean, of course. You got kind of Air Max. It's almost like a maze, it almost looks like to me. I don't even know. You got the Nike logo, of course, as well. It's really nice. And that white makes it pop a little bit. And then you got, it's pretty much all around the box. So, as you can see, I'll show you that side. And then here's this side, of course. You got a little bit more of the logos there, but the tag reads Nike Air Max 1 SP Particle Gray Dark Teal Green. And then in my size 12, we'll talk about size in a little bit later. As you can tell, there is the tag right there. So, and the paper is pretty cool as well. You got pretty much, like, as you can see, you got pretty much, it's monochromatic with everything around the box, but you got pretty much red and blue. Obviously, that is in the South Korean flag, so I thought that was really cool and stuff. So, they didn't do too much in terms of presentation, but it was nice. And they added something in really nice as well, being a keychain. You got pretty much the duck on the back of the heel, pretty much. That is the female duck. I don't even want to take this out. I don't know if I want to put it on my keychain, man. I gotta ruin it. You got pretty much the Nike and the Kasina logo as well, all in gray and stuff. I might end up putting it, but it's staying in the back of my drop front box in the meantime. All right, so anyways, let's get into the sneakers. The Kasina Nike collaboration on the Air Max 1 in the Wongang gray colorway. And here they are. And right off the rip, man, if you had these sneakers, guys, did it have some sort of like stench to it? I think it's because of this material, of this kind of like almost wool. I don't even know what it is exactly, but is it because of that? I had to air this out literally overnight just to kind of get that stench out. But you know, I mean, it's not too bad. I mean, people were people I knew were like exaggerating it, but it wasn't too bad. But I just wanted to kind of air it out so I don't have to smell that everywhere. But yeah, they are really nice, man. You know, frig, man, I just love what they did. Just so unique and stuff, and so many features. I can't wait to show y'all. So you got pretty much, it's kind of like this very like woolish material, almost reminds me of like a carpet. You got different materials everywhere. You even got leather in there as well. Then almost like it reminds me of like a bird's fur right over here as well. So, or like something like, or like maybe like certain ducks that have some fur on it and stuff. So yeah, you got that right here. Obviously, you got the Nike logo in this like a little bit of a dark red maroon. Then you got some like little flower with orange and yellow, and then some of the blue on the stem right there as well. It's super cool. And obviously, yeah, like that gray wool right there. Then you got that tealness that wraps to the toe box and right over here as well. Then you got that white swoosh on this side that's kind of cut off, obviously, like the Air Max 1. And this leather wraps around as well in the gray. And then you work your way to the toe box, is that same teal leather as well. You got pretty much, you know, like you got like a little wooden almost board that goes right in with the laces. This is Kasina right here. And then I believe the other one is the Nike logo right there. And then if you work away this side, obviously it's got pretty much more of that, but the swoosh is in teal instead. So they did a little bit different there, like what they did there, of course. And then obviously the midsole is almost like a, I don't think it's white. I think it's might be, oh my god, it's either sailor white. Sorry, I can't even figure out, my eyes playing tricks on me with the light. But yeah, that's there with the air bubble, of course. Then work your way actually back to the tongue. It's pretty much all leather, and then you got pretty much a Kasina logo right over there. And that's pretty much, yeah, the Kasina logo is right over there with the red and black and white in the back of the tag, of course. And then even the eyelets right there in that kind of like, it's almost like wooden. I think it is actually wooden, to be quite honest. It is wooden. That's really cool. And the back of the tag got made in China. And then you got like, it's almost like a distressed tongue, like similar to something Union LA would use. So that's pretty cool. And it's got kind of like a, I don't know what that is. Is red. Oh, I think that's a female, I think. Yeah, I think that's signifying like a female. And I'm guessing the other pair might have like a male head over there. So that is really cool. And then you got a cork pretty much insole, which is cool. I don't have too many of those. I got those recently with the Union Cortez. But those are there. And then you got obviously the female duck right there in the Casino logo. And on this side you got Nike Air and the male duck. So that is really neat, man. Like I said, just so many details with this. And then I'm not sure if I mentioned it though, but you got just the white laces. That's all you pretty much got in this collaboration. Then you got on the heel, of course. I almost forgot to say. You got on top of this leather, instead of the Air Max or Nike Air, anything like that, you got pretty much the male duck and stuff in that. You got like teal, gray, navy blue, white. Like, I love that, man. Like, for somebody that has drop front shoe boxes behind me, you know, and it shows the back side of the shoe a lot of the times, this is really cool because people are like, what is that, right? There we go. And I think these are gonna stand the test of time, man. Then you got pretty much the outsole. One of the things that I love the most about this, it's pretty much an icy sole, but you got pretty much like pink in there, and then it's obviously translucent. You got the bird there, Nike Air. I freaking love that, man. Oh my god. Sorry, like the ducks I was saying, but like it's just it's so cool. I love this, and the outsole really makes it worth it. I hope it doesn't yellow too bad. I mean, it's icy, it is, but I think it's just so cool. Just attention to detail is crazy, and Kasina hasn't got too many collabs with Nike, but when they've done it, they haven't missed. And I think, like, you know, the resale not being too bad on this is interesting to me. I don't know why. I think it's gonna be something that, you know, people, you're gonna see the resale up like 3, 4, or 5 years from now. They're gonna be so high, and people are gonna be like, oh shit, I fucked up. I should have got these. And I think this is gonna be the case with these, because these are really cool. Really happy to have them, and these are amazing. So also, I obviously wanted to mention sizing. So I did hear a lot of YouTubers were saying, because this releases were all over the place, so a lot of people had pairs and stuff before me. So they were saying pretty much it's a little bit more roomier for an Air Max 1. So like I say in most of my videos, I'm a 12.5 true usually. 13 I'll go up to if it's a little more on the snug side. If it's a little bit more roomier, I will go down to a 12. I made the risky thing because I have the Concepts in 13, which are nice and stuff, but they're a little roomy, whatever. It's no problem. Got these in a 12 to try them. They are a great fit, very good, but I think a regular Air Max 1 would not work with me in a 12 though. But yeah, it does work out. Sizing is pretty good, but they are a little roomy, guys. And I have a wide foot, by the way, as well. So if you have a narrow foot, you're probably fine with true to size. So I wouldn't worry about that. But just for somebody like me, you know what I mean? You know, some people even go down half size, actually. Sorry, if you have a narrow foot. So it's totally up to you, but that's what I went with. True to size to be safe, I would say. But with that, obviously, I want to show you all the on-feet of me having them on, and pretty much you can show how they really look, not in the confines of the house. So yeah. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the Kasina Air Max 1. These are a very special pair of sneakers to me, and I think these are one of my favorites in the collection. I think right off the rip, man, I think these are definitely top 10. I got lots of sneakers here in the back, over there. So I got a lot. So and these ones really are unique and stuff. So, and shout out to Kasina, man. You guys killed it. Please get more collaborations so you can take more of my money because you guys did a great job, and definitely a lot of attention to detail here and stuff, and the storytelling. That's what we love. That's what sneakerheads love, man. We love the story, you know, feeling connected to something, and with obviously the marriage ducks. I love that. So they did a great job with that. But anyways, guys, if you enjoyed the video here today, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell down below as well. You will be notified the next sneaker review I do. So stay tuned for that. We got lots on the way, and these are no mistake. These were fantastic. Like I said, the Kasina Air Max 1, man. I'm so happy to have these in the collection. Guys, let me know if you got them. Do you have a chance? Did you buy resale? So let me know what you got with these. And yeah, these are fantastic, like I said. So anyways, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Hopefully you all enjoyed my review of the Kasina Air Max 1 in the Wong On Gray colorway. Peace.